If you are unsure about the usage of eye drops advanced relief, it is recommended to consult your pharmacist or physician. Remember to always consult your pharmacist or physician before using eye drops advanced relief. If you experience any side effects, be sure to contact your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you can also report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. You should consult your pharmacist or physician before using eye drops advanced relief. This will ensure that the medication is safe and appropriate for your specific condition. It's important to consult with your pharmacist or physician before using eye drops advanced relief. Make sure to keep a list of all your medications and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. This will help them ensure that the eye drops will not interact with any other medications you may be taking. As for the daily dosage, it's recommended to use 1 to 2 drops in the affected eyes up to 4 times a day. It's best to use the drops at evenly spaced intervals throughout the day for the best results. Remember to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare professional for the optimal timing and dosage of eye drops advanced relief. If someone has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Residents of Canada can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. Unfortunately, there is no specific information available about eye drops advanced relief at this time. However, this product is designed to provide advanced relief for various eye conditions. It can be used to soothe dry, itchy, or irritated eyes, and may also help reduce redness. It is recommended to use the prescribed dosage as directed by a healthcare professional. It is typically best to use this product as needed, or as directed by a doctor. You should consult your pharmacist or physician before using eye drops advanced relief. This will ensure that the medication is safe and appropriate for your specific condition. Remember to consult your pharmacist or physician before using eye drops advanced relief. It's important to properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed, so consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more details on how to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.